show that sine 2x cot x minus cot 2x is equals to 1. Now, let's go to solution. Now, consider left-hand side, which says sine 2x cot x minus cot 2x. All right. Now, we're going to say in this instance, we're going to say 2 cot. We're going to say 2 sine x cos x bracket cos x divided by sine x. Now cot is equals to cos over sine. All right. Now let's go to the other side. The other side, this says cos 2x divided by sine 2x. So cot is equals to this. Let's go further now. You say 2 sine x cos x in the bracket cos x over sine x minus cos 2x divided by 2 sine x cos x. Now, sine 2x is equals to sine 2x is equals to 2 sine x cos x. All right. Now, as we go further, we're going to say 2 cos squared x minus cos 2x. Okay, where does it come from? Now, what is common here is cos and sec. So, this is what you get from this. All right, now you're going to say is equals to 2 cos squared x minus 2 cos squared x minus 1, whereby we are having 2 cos squared x minus 2 cos squared x plus 1. Now, 1 is equals to the right hand side. This and this goes to 0. Cos squared x minus cos 2x. Now this is the same as this. When you simplify this, is the same as this. So we have proved that sine 2x cot x minus cot 2x is equals to 1.